Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, May 5th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video, and make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So the Aussie dollar broke out to the upside, which honestly is really not surprising at all, especially if you look at the daily time frame and up. Now, on the daily time frame, I mean, we're not even close to a Fibonacci retracement level. We definitely don't have any breaker starts, so we have no reason whatsoever to say that this trend is even remotely over. And I honestly would not be surprised if this was a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave pattern to the upside, which is eventually probably going to end up looking like this. I am extremely bullish on the daily, weekly, and monthly time frames. If you saw my full top-down analysis, from Saturday or Sunday, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. So going down to the shorter time phase, I mean, I would, especially with the breakout we had to the upside, I would be doing nothing but looking for longs right now. I wouldn't be trying to go long right now on the highs, but I definitely would be looking for three-way pullbacks in order to go long. Now, just because I draw this going down doesn't mean that that's what it's going to do today. The trend is so heavily up that I would not even be trying to go short. I would be doing nothing but patiently waiting for three-way pullbacks to go long again. Like I said, just because I drew it going down doesn't mean that that's what's going to happen. I just drew that to show you what I am looking for. It doesn't have to go down now. It could potentially keep on drifting up and go down later, making another pullback later on. So, anyways, like I said, I mean, I really wouldn't be surprised if this was a wave one, wave two, and we're currently in a wave three. So, definitely very bullish. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord group. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.